Okay, good day everyone. Today I want to talk about access control device. Okay, so this model I think everyone is quite familiar. So this K1T, but now we have another version. It's an upgrade version, which is this version. Okay, which is this version. This is come with a face terminal. It's a value series. So maximum 500 face, 3000 card, 300 fingerprint, and 150 events. So all about this, they have a support ISUP protocol, but this I think I don't need to talk much because it seems I got one unit here. Okay, so we take a look over here. What is contained inside? Okay, today I want to do this unboxing because I want to know what is contained inside. Because next time I refer it back, I can see my video as well. So, okay, I got one device over here. Okay, they come with a LAN port, the connector. This is for wiring. Okay, and the fingerprint. Okay, so I take the box inside here. Okay, this cover. Okay, is this okay, so we have a sticker. Wait, we have a HCAC. Next time I will share this. Okay, so this is the user manual, cabling, sticker for installation. Okay, and some screw and Allen key lah. Okay, they come with a bracket. So I think not much thing over here. Okay, so they, I thought it's what? It's an adapter. Okay, they will give you an adapter as well. So this is the unboxing for this current. Okay, tomorrow I also will upload the video how we're going to set up this lah. Okay, thank you for sharing. Thank you for your time and your view. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow I will set another video for this, how this thing set up.